Here at Amtrak, we're building a new era of rail. Not only are we launching the new fleet, but we're also building state-of-the-art new facilities across the network that will be here for decades to come to keep the trains running smoothly.
These new facilities are critical for Amtrak to operate and, more importantly, maintain the new train sets that we have coming online in the next decade.
The facilities program consists of 6 Level 1 facilities and approximately 18 Level 2 facilities. The Level 1 facilities are located in our major hub locations. These are larger facilities where we'll do more extensive maintenance, and the Level 2 facilities are in more satellite locations where we'll be performing more minor maintenance work on the fleet.
Our vision is for the equipment to come in at the end of a revenue run, get spotted within the building, protection applied, and then all of the maintenance can be done in line with that equipment where it's spotted.
The Level 1 facilities will be located in Seattle, Boston, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., New York City, and Rensselaer in upstate New York.
So with new train sets and these new facilities, we can expect to see less unnecessary downtime for the equipment and more efficient maintenance. By building facilities for train sets, we can design the equipment to not need to uncouple nearly as often as we have in the past. So what that means is more reliable intercar connections, improved gangways and transitions between the cars for passengers, improved accessibility on board, and we can do some pretty cool things with propulsion too.
The team at FRA has really been a true partner throughout the facility investment process. Not only does FRA provide us with the funding to construct these projects, but FRA has really been a great resource for our team and for Amtrak in terms of providing us with guidance and support throughout the construction process.
Personally, I'm really excited to see customers on board our new equipment. I'm also eagerly awaiting the new facilities to open so that the operations team can take full advantage of the new train sets we have.
I am really proud that these investments will benefit Amtrak customers for years to come.